This is the September Discovered Beauty Box. This is the cruelty-free plant-based beauty edit. Let's check it on out. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I've got an unboxing for you, and it is this. This is the September Discovered Beauty Box. Couldn't get my words out there. So yeah, let's open it on. Just to pop this in here, if you subscribe to this box now, you will not get this month's box. You will get October's box. You have to order before the 10th of any month to get that month. And because I'm not gifted this box, I pay for it myself. The time I get it, it's after the 10th, unfortunately. But the boxes are consistently good, so you won't be disappointed if you subscribe now. Get October's. I wonder what awesome goodies they've got in there. I know I love my box every single month, so make sure to click that link down below to get £3 off your first box. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. So here is the box. This costs £25 per month, and you are guaranteed to get some amazing treats in here month after month. Ever since I've subscribed to this box, which is over a year now, I've never been disappointed. I've always been wowed. I will leave a link in the information box and the comment box for you. Click that link and you will get your first box £3 cheaper, which is always good. Every little saving helps. But let's have a sneak peek. Right, so this is inside the box. We have a little card there saying something about make sure to leave a review. I think it's for a product that's in the box. We have a thank you card, just thanking them for a purchase. And then we have the edit card. In here it has information on all the products that are actually in here, which is fab. We'll be looking at that throughout the video. But yeah, this is the box. We have some silver paper, always very neat and tidy. So yeah, that's not much of a sneak peek. Let me move the products further up so we can actually have a little sneak peek. There is a quick sneak peek, but let's get on digging through here to see exactly what we've got. So back to the edit card just for a moment. We have a quick note in here. We're just gonna have a quick read of it. So this edit is called Cruelty-free and Plant-Based Beauty. It just says Cruelty-free and Plant-Based DBB Fam. This month, the September edit is dedicated to cruelty-free and plant-based beauty products. We've found some delightful beauty products that are cruelty-free and are plant-based. Yeah, so let's get stuck in. The first item we have is this. So this is by the brand Smoom. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And this is black seed and apricot face floss. Okay, that definitely sounds intriguing. It just says that Cleopatra loved black seed oil, and we can see why. It contains over 100 vitamins and minerals, helping to fight acne and regenerate skin cells, reduce the appearance of dark spots caused by aging and sun damage. The apricot kernel oil is full of antioxidants and aims to rejuvenate the skin. Lastly, the creamy, unrefined shea butter, which assists in retaining moisture and elasticity. As the face floss is highly concentrated, a little bit goes a long way. This has an RRP of $14.99. So I was actually, I don't know what I was expecting with the name floss. Maybe I was actually expecting floss. But yeah, here it is. Very cute packaging. It's like it's been piped in. It's like the body butters that we've received from another brand that I can't remember. They're quite nice. But this is glass bottle. Oh, it certainly smells interesting. Let's just take a bit out of the lid there. That feels very hydrating indeed. It feels thick, but not too thick. It feels very nice, and look at the glow that's left. Wow. Oh yeah, I can't wait to use that properly. Fantastic. Second product we have is this. So this is by the brand U Star, and it is an eyeshadow palette, and it is called Hippie Chick. It says create dazzling eye looks with a 9-pan palette from U-Star, featuring highly pigmented mattes and shimmer shades, perfect for simple everyday or for a more fancy creation. Oh, what shades have we got in here? So this is what it looks like out of the box. Really, really nice packaging, very eye-catching. Oh, lovely. That's what the shades look like. Let's take this off. Yeah, that is what the shades are. Wow, beautiful. It's like burnt. It reminds me of like burnt embers type of thing. Should we go straight for the shimmers? I think we should. Let's do 4. Obviously I have to do this glittery one in there. So yeah, it feels like gel-like and you can feel the glitter in there. So that is a glitter, not a shimmer. Let's go for this one. That's intriguing. That one looks nice. And let's try this one. Oh wow, look at those shimmers. Oh my goodness. So this glitter will probably be better tapped on, I think. Yeah, look at that. That's really, really nice. Wow, impressive. I am liking that dark one. That is cute. The third product we have is this. It's actually 3 products and it's a hair care complete system. Wow. So let's have a little look-see. So this, oh, it's gonna fall off. So this is by the brand Pearl, and it's your hair care bundle. We get a cleanse shampoo, a smooth conditioner, and a nourishing boost serum. So the shampoo has an RRP of £12, the conditioner has an RRP of £13, and the serum has an RRP of £16. It just says having plant-based, cruelty-free and vegan hair care routine has never been more easier. Pearl have created a range that is effective whilst being sulfate free and features no silicones, dyeing alcohols or minerals, so definitely full of goodness. The shampoo is created with aloe vera juice, which contains vitamins A, C and E to help promote hair growth. Yes please, yes please. Glycerin, which is a water-soluble conditioning agent, and vegetable glycerin, which is a humectant to draw moisture to hair and scalp. The conditioner features pro-vitamin B5 to strengthen the hair, maintain moisture and prevent dry hair and scalp. Hydrolyzed quinoa protein, which boasts 17 amino acids to help transform brittle, lifeless and dull hair to soft, supple and shiny hair. And flaxseed oil to help treat hair loss and stimulate new growth and prevent flaking. This sounds great, it really, really does. And the serum is formulated with cocoa seed butter, castor seed oil, grapeseed and hydrolyzed jojoba. These ingredients combined aim to help your hair be nourished, it reduces dryness, can be used as a finishing product at the end of washing or added to a conditioner to turn it into a deep conditioner. They sound absolutely fantastic and I'm so happy to get a full set. As if you're a regular watcher of my channels, you will know I hate getting some boxes where you either just get a shampoo or you just get a conditioner. With this one, we have a full set with a matching serum. This speaks volumes to me. It really, really does. And what is also great is it helps with growth. Yes, please. Yes, please. So I'm just going to take this off and have a sniff. Smells lemony. That's the first scent that kind of hits me. I've got eyeshadow everywhere. That smells like butter. That smells lovely actually, really, really nice. And this one smells like the conditioner. But yeah, just to show you, that serum is like a thick cream. I don't know if you can see that there. But yeah. So the fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Evolue. Oh, I'm probably saying that wrong. And this is super oil. It has an RRP of £58.10. Wow. And it just says, indulge in a lightweight, non-greasy facial oil. The super oil protects and repairs, leaving the skin velvety, smooth and radiant. It's also made with a total of 8 ingredients that include organic olive-derived squalene, which is quickly absorbed into the skin, oil soluble vitamin C and vitamins A, D, E and K. Shake well before use, suitable for all skin types. Ooh, okay. I don't think, have I heard of this brand? Now I think about it, I don't know, does it look familiar? I don't know. Don't quote me on that, but let's give it a shake. So there it is there. A white serum, a white oil. Oh my god, that feels amazing. It feels like there's nothing there. That's so strange. It has a barely there smell. It's lovely. Oh, look at that. And it does look radiant as well, doesn't it? Hi guys, so this is the September Discovered Beauty Box. This is the cruelty-free and plant-based beauty edit. Personally, this is a fantastic box. So they've marked it down as you get 4 products in this month's box. But no, you don't, because one of them products is actually 3 products, which is so good. We have a complete hair care system here. As I say, ignore these marks there. That's off the it's off the eyeshadow. So yeah, we have a complete little hair system there. Awesome. Yeah, we have a facial oil, we have the face floss, and we have a gorgeous eye palette as well. Yeah, another fantastic box. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and again, if you are interested in this box, click the link down below in the information box or the comment box. It will get you £3 off your first box. But yeah, £25 a month, definitely well worth the money in my humble opinion. But yeah, massive thumbs up from me. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.